My name is Murugan. I am a federating chess player, chess coach. This video topic, Grundfeld defense opening traps. If you like to purchase chessboard, chess clock and chess books, visit my website royalchessclub.com. First game, d4, knight f6, Indian system, c4, g6, knight c3, d5, bg5, ne4, knight capture knight e4, d capture a4, g3, bg7, a3, c5, bishop g2, c capture d4. Bishop capture e4 is a blunder move. Queen a5, check and bishop attack. Queen move d2, queen take, bishop. Black gaining extra material. White player resigning his game. Game 2, d4, knight f6, c4, g6, knight c3, d5, Grundfeld defense, knight f3, bishop g7, bishop g5, ne4, knight capture d5 is blunder move. Blunder move no worst move. Knight capture knight. Knight capture bishop. Knight capture knight. Black play brilliant attack. e6. This knight or this knight, anyone lost. Knight move backside. Queen take. Knight gain a material. d4, knight f6, c4, g6, knight c3, d5, bishop g5, in e4, c capture d5, knight capture bishop, h4, knight cannot escape. This square controlled by pawn. This two square pawns controlled. Only possible move. Knight e4. Knight capture knight e4. Queen capture d5. Regain a pawn. Knight c5. e5, knight f3, e capture d4, queen f4 check, knight c6. This position, we play one blunder move, knight b3. This move blunder move. b5, queen trap. This knight stop the queen escape square. Queen escape square. b5, immediate queen trap. Black win this game. If you like this video, give me a like, share our friends, give me your opinion in comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Subscribe Royal Chess Club channel.